Quaid-E-Azam, our great leader, the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, was born in Karachi on the 25th of December 1876. He received his early education in a local school. Later on, he entered into a missionary high school and passed the entrance examination. Next year, he went to England and returned after 4 years as a barrister at law. In 1915, he loved and married Ratanbai, the daughter of Sir Dinshaw Petit. In 1947, he got Pakistan and worked as a first Governor General. He worked day and night so hard that his health broken down. He died on 11 September 1948. He is the greatest leader of this country. He belonged his life to the creation of Pakistan. First of all, he was the member of Indian National Congress. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity, but later on he joined the Muslim League. He worked day and night in the 1946 to 47 general election. The Muslim League was won a large number of seats in the provincial assemblies. Pakistan resolution was passed in 1940. After the Second World War, the British promised to leave the country. On 14th August 1947, India was divided into two states, that is India and Pakistan. It was a great success for Quaid-E-Azam. Despite it, he was not proud. He stayed humble. Physically, the Quaid-E-Azam was a weak and thin person. His health was not good, but on the other hand, he was a man of strong will. He had to face a large number of problems and hardships, but they remained firm to his stand. The English and the Hindus could not succeed to win him over. He always showed strong strong willpower at all occasions. He was as firm as a rock. He was a man of courage. He was also a brave man and a fearless leader. To get Pakistan, he did not care for his broken health. He did not care for dangers to his life and oppositions from the Hindus and the English. He was ready to face all the circumstances. He was not even afraid of death. The Quaid-E-Azam was a very wise man. He had an independent judgment and opinion. He decided everything in the light of reasons. He will allow he never allowed his passions to interfere into his affairs. His arguments against or in the favor of a matter were very clear and convincing. Through this great quality, he failed the Hindu intrigues and the English mind and succeeded in his mission. He got a separate homeland for the Muslims of subcontinent. Sincerity and devotion are essential virtues for success. Therefore, Quaid-E-Azam was a sincere and devoted leader. He was upright and honest. He never worked for his personal gain or fame. He devoted all his time and energy to work for the achievement of Pakistan. He was always to serve others. He was always ready to serve others, although his health was poor, yet he worked hard for his nation. He liked his people and worked for them. The Quaid-E-Azam worked selflessly for the Indian Muslims. After Pakistan was made, he continued to work hard for them until his death. He never stopped his work. He advised the whole nation to work. He said, work, work, and work. He put the same thing into practice. During the struggle for Pakistan, the Quaid-E-Azam had to make a lot of speeches. He impressed the audience because he was a very good orator. He delivered his speech very effectively. He discussed all the important aspects of the subject in his speech. When he spoke in the constituent assembly, the discussed its functions clearly and proved himself a very successful public speaker. There was a great awe in his voice. Everybody listened to him attentively. Hard work is key to success. The Quaid-E-Azam knew it. He was a hard-working and industrious person. He was always ready to serve others. Although his health was poor, yet he worked hard for his nation. He liked his people and worked for them. They too liked him much more. Moreover, he refused to take rest. He made long tours of India to awaken the Muslims. He had to solve all the problems, but he never showed a sign of exhaustion. This quality of our great leader infused a new spirit in the Muslims. At last, he succeeded to create a new homeland for the Muslims of India. Today, we are enjoying freedom in an independent country. It is the result of effort of our great leader, the Quaid-E-Azam.